Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Black Wukong on your PC. So all you have to do is launch the Steam application on your PC and sign into your account. And then from here, simply click on the search bar and type in Black Wukong. Here it is. So click on this, click on that game, Black Myth Wukong. And then from here, scroll down until you find the system requirements. Here it is. And ensure that your PC supports either the minimum or the recommended system requirements. Now, once you have confirmed that, you can scroll back up and then find this option. You can either buy the Black Myth Wukong, the base game, or you can buy the digital deluxe edition. So choose the edition you prefer and click on add to cart. And then from here, you'll see add it to your cart and then click on view my cart. And then from here, select continue to payment. Here it is, the estimated total in this menu. Simply select continue to payment. And then give it a few seconds. And then from here, choose the PayPal method or rather the payment method. You can either choose your PayPal, the Visa, and all the other options. So simply choose the payment method and then click on continue. And then follow the instructions that might appear. And once you have successfully purchased the game, you can click on library, and then you should find that game. You should find Black Myth Wukong on your library. Now you can simply click on it. Let's say, for example, this is the game. Okay, simply click on it and then click on install, and that will begin the installation process for Black Wukong. And that's basically it on how to download that particular game. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.